Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OSTK, overstock.com. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. A very nice bounce today. I mean, especially when you consider that the day started off with a nasty downwards move, and then all of a sudden from there, price just went into beast mode. And then after the morning session, the last portion of the day, you can see that volume really came pouring in. So definitely a lot of eyeballs on this one heading into Wednesday. So let's map out some supports first, and then we can talk resistance. First key level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above 1375. Now, if the price does not hold above there, not the end of the world or anything like that, but if the price can stay above there, definitely a great sign of power. From more so the overarching perspective, I want to get a trend line. Actually, let me do this just to make sure I'm not. There we go. We'll base it right from there. And yes, I'm talking to myself right now. So I realize this is not going to be like the perfect flawless trend line, but it illustrates the overall idea that, yeah, over time, since basically, let's see, when was that? Back there from June 14th, 15th, when things bottomed out, that overall the price has been, just trending nicely upwards. So I bring all that up because, if the price were to come down here and break through 1375 or even break through that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, from the bigger picture of things, everything is still perfectly fine. Now, there is perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're some sort of day trader and you bought right up there, a scalper, and your plan was to buy and sell within, 10 minutes. Well, then, yeah, from that point of view, of course, you don't want to see the price or you don't really care about this overall trend line. So these comments are definitely being geared towards more so, the people that care about, like I said, the bigger picture of things. So just keep that in mind that, yeah, preferably stay above 1375, but you do have that overarching, trend line down there. As far as where the sellers are at, pretty straightforward right now. The party stopped a few days ago right up there at 1475. And you can see that basically to a T. So like I said, a few days ago, party stopped right there. And then you look right there and the price struggled again there. So 1475, a key breakout point, and with a solid break of 1475, while there is no such thing as a guarantee, it would not be shocking at all to see the price potentially get up to 15, if not higher than that. But first got to get up through that 1475 mark, which is being very stubborn. But all in all, very nice move today. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.